In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Google Sheets document as a PDF. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn your spreadsheet into a clean, shareable file that looks the way you expect. First, open your Google Sheets document. Take a quick glance to make sure everything is ready for export. Check that the correct tab is selected, your columns are wide enough, and your content isn't cut off. The PDF will reflect what you see, so this quick review can save time. Now, head to the top left corner and click File. This opens the main menu for your sheet. From here, hover your mouse over Download. Don't click yet. Just pause over it. You'll see a submenu appear with several file types. Choose PDF Document by PDF. This opens a pop-up window that lets you control how your spreadsheet will be laid out on the page. You'll see options for page orientation, paper size, and scaling, along with a live preview on the right so you can confirm how your PDF will look before you export. Start with orientation. Pick Portrait if your sheet is taller than it is wide, or Landscape if you have many columns and want more horizontal space. Next, choose a paper size that matches your needs, A4, letter, or another size commonly used where you're sharing the file. Then adjust scaling. If your content looks cramped or spills onto extra pages, set scaling to Fit to Width or Fit to Page so everything fits neatly. If you prefer to keep exact sizes, leave it at 100% and adjust column widths in the sheet instead. Use the preview to double-check the result. If headings or totals are cut off, try switching orientation or tweaking scaling until everything sits comfortably on the page. If your sheet relies on grid lines for clarity, look for options to show them. The preview will update so you can confirm your choice. Small margin adjustments can also help give tables a bit of breathing room. When everything looks right, click Export. Your PDF will download to your computer, usually into the default Downloads folder. From there, you can rename it, move it to a project folder, or attach it to an email. If the file is large, give it a moment to finish downloading. That's all there is to it. You opened your sheet, used File and Download to select PDF, fine-tuned the layout with orientation, size, and scaling, and exported a polished PDF ready to share.